Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to bind your mouse scroll wheel to jump in CS2. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Let's now start. The first thing you should do is go to your settings and confirm that the developer console is enabled. Open the developer console, pasting a certain command. Bind space mwheeldown space plus space jump semicolon. Bind space plus space jump. Depending on your taste, the instruction is either mwheeldown or mwheelup. You can simply alter this part of the command to make it scroll up or scroll down. In this way, you'll be able to leap using both your mouse scroll wheel and space. As you can see, I can leap using both this command and binding it after I copy and paste it from the description below. That's all for now, everyone. Thanks for watching.